Hello everyone, greetings from all over the world and where you're watching. I just got done dropping my girls off to school. It's early AM for me right now. And today's video, I am super excited because I want to take you on the behind the scenes with me on where I shop for my realistic flowers, silk flowers locally. This is a question that I get asked all the time on where do I purchase my flowers from, the ones I use for my DIY centerpieces, the one I use for my event. In today's video, I'm here to give you just that. Okay, I'm going to hit up all my favorite spots on where I like to shop for my silk artificial flowers. If you like content like this video and comment your thoughts below and let me know in the comment sections on where do you like to shop for your silk artificial flower. You guys are truly amazing. Thank you so much for all the support and all the love you guys always share with me. I appreciate you guys. I hope this video answers all of your questions. And let's go ahead and get into the video because I don't want to be blabbering too much. So now if you have any other questions, definitely ask it in the comment section and I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Now let's go ahead and dive into the video. Quick disclaimer before we get started in today's video. I want to let you know that this is not a paid sponsorship. I'm just simply sharing my honest opinion based on my experiences with the silk flowers from the stores I'll be mentioning. I've been shopping at these local stores for years to get my silk flowers for my DIY centerpieces and for events. If you're hosting any events, these floral stores can be really convenient for finding what you need. I have a few events coming up and I often go to these stores to find a specific color or flowers I need for a floral centerpiece design. Michael's was one of the first stores I went to for flowers because I really love their selection. The flowers from Michael's have never let me down, and in my experience, they always stay looking great. Michael's have fantastic range of artificial flowers that look very real. Whether you're making a bouquet, decorating your home, or working on a craft project, they offer many colors and styles to choose from. From bright roses to soft greenery, Michael's has everything you need to create a beautiful, long-lasting floral arrangement. One of the best tips I can give you when you shop at any of these local stores is to buy during their big sales. They often have discounts ranging from 40%, 50%, 60%, and even up to 75% off the regular floral prices. These sales happen every week, so always keep an eye out for them. I never buy my flowers at full price from these stores because it's much better to wait for their sales. You can get the same flowers at a much lower price, so definitely keep that in mind before you go shopping. Hobby Lobby is the next store I started going to for flowers because it gives me the same good vibes as Michael's. They have a huge selection of flowers that look very real and different colors and types like peony, bush, roses, ranunculus, hydrangea bushes, orchids, tulip, and all the greenery you might need. If you're looking for flowers, Hobby Lobby has it all.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
Hobby Lobby also has a huge selection of fall flowers that are perfect for any fall events or for simply decorating your home for the seasons. They offer beautiful variety of huge vases you can use to simply display your flowers and make your home feel cozy and festive for fall.
Way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.
There are a number of reasons on why I love going to Hobby Lobby. And one of those reasons are I like to go there to shop for things for any events that I'm hosting, such as plate chargers, which are always on sale, glass goblets, flower vases, and more.
Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.
Joanne Fabric is really affordable for high quality, realistic flowers. If you need a lot of flowers, Joanne Fabric is my go-to because I know I'll get great discounts. They have a wide variety of type of flowers and colors, so it's easy to find exactly what you need for any projects. One thing I must say I love about Joanne Fabric, it's because it's known for its affordable prices and frequent discount, making it a great place to shop for creative projects. Whether you need floral arrangements or crafting tools, Joanne Fabric has a huge selection to choose from. Joanne Fabric has beautiful fall flowers in different shades and varieties. You can use them to decorate your home or for events you're hosting. is like a hidden gem for me. You might not expect to find flowers there, but they have some fantastic florals at very low prices. Even though some Walmarts might not have a huge selection, but you'd be amazed at how beautiful and good quality their flowers are. Here's a quick little backstory on how I discovered Walmart had sell silk florals. 4 years ago, we had an out-of-state event to decorate, and we carefully packed everything. We made sure we did, including a big box of flower arrangements I had designed. However, when we arrived the day before the wedding, we realized we had brought the wrong boxes of flowers, leaving all the flowers that I designed behind. With no time to get the flowers shipped or to order new ones, we went to all the local flower shops, including Walmart. I brought every red rose bushes I could find, going from Walmart to Walmart until we had enough to redesign the centerpieces. I was amazed at how affordable and beautiful the flowers were, and the wedding turned out perfectly. As a wedding planner, mistakes happen, but it's how you handle them that counts.